Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to withdraw your money from Bigo Life. It's very easy. So if you've earned a couple of diamonds and you want to withdraw, then this video is for you. Alright, so but first of all, you need to have a minimum of $31 before you can be able to withdraw your money. Alright, so if you want to withdraw your money, all you have to do guys is to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner, and then you see all these options. Tap on the wallet option. Alright, so then you see these two tabs, the diamonds and the beans tab at the top. Click on the beans tab and you will see your diamonds right here. So I just have 19 diamonds, and this is equivalent to a figure that's actually less than $1. All right, so I actually need $31 before I can be able to withdraw. So but once you get right here and you have up to $31, you see the option to exchange rewards. Tap on exchange rewards and then follow the process. It's very easy guys. So guys, that's how you can actually withdraw your money from Bigo. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.